Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we have a question which says 86 squared. I'm going to teach you the square number trick which can help you solve this question in seconds. So follow me as I show you how. The first digit is 8. We take the square of 8 which gives us 64. So we put 64 on one side here. The second is 6. So 6 squared also gives us 36. We combine 36. And now what do? We multiply this and we multiply it by the exponent. What I just mean is 8 times 6, which gives us 48, by the exponent 2, and it gives us the product 96. So we are going to write the 96 here clearly and add a 0 to the end and sum it up. 6 plus 0 gives us 6. 3 plus 6 gives us 9. 9 plus 4 gives us 13. Write 3 and bring 1 here. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So we can conclude that 86 squared is 7,396. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.